Okay, as you can see, the print is just finishing up. The extruder is retracting. You can go ahead and as soon as it stops moving, you can go ahead and open up the door. There it is. It's also going to beep to let you know that it's ready to go. Brings it to the front. There it is. Okay. Now to remove your print, just like we did earlier, you squeeze down there, you pull your build plate out. Now to remove your print off the build plate, these are flexible. You can just kind of move them around this way and then peel it off, and it comes off fairly easily. Sometimes they get kind of stuck and you may have to use a scraper to get it off. Now notice it's nice and clean. I'm good to go. I'm going to leave it set up for the next person by putting it back in here, pressing down on the build plate, sliding, making sure it's inside both of the grooves, sliding it all the way back in, and closing that door. You'll see it says build complete. You can just hit OK. And if you want to print something else, you can navigate back through the menu. For your print, you will notice that the actual print also has what you call a skirt, and it prints a little base layer to keep it from flexing, and those usually pop off, and there it is. You have like a little locket, a little heart locket. Okay, so there's your print. And if you're done, you don't need to print anything else, go ahead and move on to the side here, flick that switch off, and turn the machine off. That's it.